What is the generic term for a person who once had the same title as you have now?
What type of body covering helps to insulate burns?
What do you call students in universities who have not yet graduated?
What do you call the son of your sister or brother?
How do we call the young horse?
What do we call people who work on a ship or plane?
What is the device that controls electrical appliances on and off?
Jack is having a presentation on Wednesday. Today is Tuesday. When will Jack his speech? Today, tomorrow, or next week?
What is the frozen type of water called?
Who is the Swiss greatest scientist in physics?
What do we call famous people?
What is the highest position in the embassy?
In the solar system, which heavenly body produces sunshine?
What do you call a notice of death in a newspaper?
What do meters and millimeters measure, weight, or length?
What are the organs of the body that we can breathe with?
What is at the top of an eyebrow?
Which part of the hand do we use to pick up objects?
What things do postgraduate students have that undergraduate students don't?
What is the national flower of India?
What is the generic term for gold, silver, and copper?
Which one would you most likely see in the lake, a swan or a crocodile?
What is the thing used for sun protection in summer?
Which continent is Canada located in?
What is the food that is used in a recipe?